Today's class is going to be a standing pose flow. Come to the top of your mat in Tadasana. Close your eyes and take a few settling breaths here. Moving through some half salutations. Inhale, reach your hands high to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale into a half back position. And exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, stand up and reach up. Adding a little back bend at the top if that feels nice. Exhale, coming back to center. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand and reach. Back bend. Exhale, return to center. One more time like that. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half back. And exhale, fold in again. Inhale, stand and reach and back bend. Exhale, return to center, standing. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step your left foot to the back of your mat. Hands frame your right foot. Look forward and reach your chest forward. Rock back and forth here a little bit. Working into that hip. Inhale, rise up into a high lunge. Stay here for a few breaths. Your right knee is stacked over your right ankle. Hips are square to the front of your mat. Gaze can be forward or up at your hands. Inhale, and on an exhale, open up into a warrior two. First warrior two. Hips might be a little tight here. I know mine are. Let's inhale, straighten our right leg, reach our hands up high. Exhale, sink back into warrior two. Inhale, straighten your leg, reach up. Exhale, back into warrior two. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, warrior two. Let's stay here for a few breaths. Planting the blade and edge of your left foot into the ground. Arms steady, gaze steady, just over your right middle finger. Inhale, sweep your right arm back into a humble warrior. Straighten your right knee, still reaching back. Exhale, bring your torso upright. Come into a triangle pose. Just reach your right arm forward. Push your hips towards the back of the mat. And then once you have a lot of length, simply drop your right hand wherever it lands. Might be the shin the foot or the floor. It's the first time in triangle today, so shin is good for me. Reach your left arm to the sky. Look up. Inhale, bring your torso back up. Exhale, bend back into warrior two. Inhale here. And then exhale into extended side angle. Rest lightly your right elbow on your right knee. And stretch your left arm long over your left ear. Look up under your left bicep. Inhale, rise back up to warrior two. Exhale, windmill your arms back to frame your front foot. Inhale, step your left foot up into a forward fold. Let's hang here in this forward fold for a minute. You can ragdoll your arms if you want. You can sway back and forth. Just wiggle out your legs after doing all those standing poses. Inhale, look forward. This time, exhale, step your right foot towards the back of your mat. Frame your front foot. Reach your heart forward. Get some movement front and back in this hip. Good. And on your next inhale, rise up into a high lunge. This side might feel different than the other side. For me, it's a little tighter. Might be looser. Just notice how it feels. On your next exhale, open up into a warrior two again. First warrior two on this side. Let's work some movement into it. Inhale, straighten your leg, reach your arms up. Exhale, sink back into warrior two. Two more times, reach up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sink down, holding in warrior two for a few breaths again here. Inhale, sweep your left arm up into a humble warrior. Inhale, straighten your left leg. Exhale, come up, torso upright. We'll work our way back into triangle pose again. Reach your left arm forward, push your hips back. Drop your left arm to your shin or foot. Reach your right arm towards the sky. Inhale, bring your torso back upright. Exhale, back into warrior two. Take an inhale, and then exhale forward into extended side angle. Keep your shoulders rolling down your back. Keep your elbow light on your knees so you're not sinking into that arm. Really using your legs here for stability. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Exhale, windmill your heart, hands down to frame your foot again to a lunge. And exhale, back up into a forward fold. It's ragdoll again here. Drop your arms. And inhale, roll up to standing. Exhale, Tadasana. Take a few centering breaths here. Feel a difference in your legs. Let's move through that sequence again, this time linking our breath with the movement. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, left foot to the back of your mat. Inhale, reach up into high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, humble warrior. Exhale, straighten your right knee. Inhale, come upright. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhale, back upright. Exhale, bend and reach into extended side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, windmill your hands down, lunge. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half back. Exhale, right foot towards the back of your mat to a low lunge. Inhale, reach up, high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, humble warrior. Exhale, straighten your leg. Inhale, bring your torso upright. Exhale, triangle. Inhale, come upright. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, windmill your hands down. Inhale, forward fold. Bring your right foot to the top of the mat. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, rise up. Exhale, hands back to heart center. Drop your arms to your side, close your eyes. Take a couple of deep centering breaths here. Thank you for doing the standing pose flow with me. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Hope you have a great day.